Are you ready to create the ultimate vegetarian chickpea and soy flakes patties that are so delicious, even your meat-loving friends will ask for seconds? Let's get cooking. Here are the ingredients. 200 grams of chickpeas for a protein-packed base, 50 grams of hydrated soy flakes for texture, 50 grams of grated cheese for a creamy, salty kick, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs or flour, 2 eggs to hold it all together, 1 garlic clove, salt, pepper, and cooking oil. First, we soak our soy flakes in hot water for 10 minutes. Think of it as their spa day. They need to relax before becoming patties. Once hydrated, give them a good squeeze to get rid of any excess liquid. No soggy soy allowed. Now, let's mash those chickpeas. We want texture, not baby food, so keep it chunky. Add your mashed chickpeas, soy flakes, 2 eggs for binding, and the cheese of your choice. Garlic lovers, toss in that chopped clove, breadcrumbs, or flour. It's your choice, just make sure everything holds together. Season with salt and pepper, and if you're feeling fancy, a sprinkle of parsley or dill for that gourmet vibe. Time to get your hands dirty or wet, in this case. Wet hands make it easier to shape the mixture into perfect little patties. Don't worry if they're not Instagram perfect. We're going for delicious, not an art exhibit. Now, you've got options. Feeling indulgent? Heat some oil and fry these beauties for 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown. Want a lighter twist? Bake them at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway. Either way, crispy perfection is guaranteed. And there you have it, crispy on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. Pair them with a fresh salad, a creamy yogurt sauce, or your favorite dip. Trust me, these patties will be the star of your dinner table. Like what you see, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite twist on this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy, delicious meals. See you in the next one.